Good morning, aspirants. Today's news. No need to fear COVID-19. Thanks to acquired immunity, Soumya Swaminathan. Comes under GS Paper 3, Science and Technology. COVID-19 surge details. The Omicron subvariant with no major mutation reported. Current case count. As of May 31, India reported 3,395 active COVID-19 cases. May increase. COVID-19 precautionary measures were mask during illness, hand hygiene, avoid public spitting, high risk vigilance should be held. Understanding Omicron variant. Most troubling category. Dominant Delta plus category. Multiple mutation has been occurred. Immunity evasion. May be avoid immunity from past infection or vaccination. Transmission unknown. No reliable estimate of increased transmissibility. Variants of concern. Omicron, which was found in Southern Africa. Alpha in Britain. Delta, found across the world. Gamma in Brazil. Beta in South Africa. Yearly 2020. GDP growth rate at 6.5%, the slowest since pandemic. The slowest growth, quarter 4, 7.4%, manufacturing sector 4.8%, 10.8% were construction sector in fourth quarter of its year. Understanding GDP indicators. GDP represents the final value of goods and services produced within a country in a border in a time period. GDP growth rate, the growth rate measures the pace of economic growth comparing quarterly or annually charges in GDP. GDP purchasing power parity. Cross-country comparison will be done, adjusting GDP to the account of variation in local prices and living expenses. Key economic indicators were real GDP, which was adjusted in accordance with inflation, base effect, a statistical phenomena where high or low growth in the previous period squeeze current growth interpretation. Growth differential. The gap between India's GDP growth and the advanced economy indicates the relative performance. Household consumption rose to 7.2% in financial year 25 compared to 5.6% in financial year 2024. Chief Economic Advisor emphasized India's relative performance is growth scarce global environment. Center asks states to rise enrollment in government schools. Comes under GS2, Governance and Education. Education Ministry flagged a steady decline in enrollment in government school in 11 states. States like Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Uttarakhand have high percentage of government school but low enrollment. Challenges in government school enrollment. Infrastructure investment is low. Medium of instruction been teacher absenteeism is there. Parental aspiration is high, which would not be satisfied by the government up to the level. Samagra Shiksha scheme, annual work plan and budget have flagged this issue. UDAI's data collection system. UDAI's system of online data collection from schools were developed by Department of School Education and Literacy in 2018 and 19 to overcome the issue related to erstwhile practice manual data filing in paper format. Information collection where its primary duty. Data verification. The data cleansing process via Aadhaar linked verification has been done. PM to attend the 300th birth anniversary celebration of Alia Bhai Holkar. She was from Bhopal, known for women-centric policies and a strong administrative leadership. Alia Bhai Holkar's temple reconstruction legacy were Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Somnath Temple of Gujarat, Mahavishwar development. Alia Bhai Holkar's social and economic reforms were patron of arts, supported the Sanskrit scholar Kushali Ram and Marathi poet like Morpant. Social development were established schools for girls, reformed social practices, supports tribal integration. Economic reforms were reformed taxation, developed trade centers and supported handicrafts. Mark question, please try this mark question. Thank you.